So I've been with the S15 for almost 3 years now. I got into cars like every other JDM fanboy with things like Fast and Furious and Need for Speed and all that kind of stuff.
I wake up in a cold sweat. I wonder if it's too late to block out all the sunlight. Block out all the sunlight. I'm a little scattered, but nothing really matters, so everything is alright.
皆さんこんにちは。俺の名前はショーンで、今日は俺マットと一緒にマットのS15のシルビアをショーケースします。
I think the car scene is what you make it. If you hang out with the wrong crowd, you'll end up doing wrong. I feel that most of the time everyone's good in the car scene, but there are the few people that ruin it for everybody.
Yeah.
So I don't like the word it's toxic, it's this, it's that. It's really not. It's just a select few people. The car scene as a whole is actually really good. I really enjoy coming out to meets. I feel really welcome there, especially when I first started coming out to meets. I didn't really know a lot about cars, so it's really welcoming. And now seeing younger kids come out, you don't want to sort of turn them away and be that kind of guy that's like, oh, you're too young, you don't know a lot, because no one was ever like that to me. So yeah, it's really inviting, really welcoming, and I think the car scene in Canberra is on the way up. It will be good very soon.
Oh, I totally agree. So what, I guess, got you into the JDM scene? Was it sort of video games or?
Yeah, a lot of video games, a lot of Fast and Furious. Actually, a few of my friends when I was at school, they had Japanese cars, and my first car was a Honda Prelude. So
nice.
I started with JDM cars from the get-go, and then after the Prelude I bought myself my first WRX and just slowly started going out to meets and out to meets. And like its progression there, I had the WRX, then I had a 260 kilowatt Evo, and then after that I had the Build STI and now the Silvia. So I think it's a bit of an addiction. I've had JDM cars all my life, so I don't see it changing. I just like driving. I like the thrill of driving. The whole thing, Street Kings, it's not that, oh, we're better than you or this or that. It's that you feel like a king in your car. So when I drive the S15 around, I feel like a king. Like I feel really good. So I like driving around, I like hanging out with my mates, just getting food. I like working on it, even though sometimes it really annoys me. But yeah, I really, really enjoy the car a lot. There's a lot of things that have happened with the car in the last sort of year. I mean, I wouldn't be in the car, wouldn't be where it is today without like Street Kings, my girlfriend Naomi. Cass Body Works in Sydney, he did a full bare metal respray last year. There's so much to list. Exterior wise, probably the carbon fibre diffuser from Top Secret in Japan. And interior, probably the bride seats, the genuine brides. They're pretty awesome.
で今日でこれを終わります。でマットさんどうもありがとうございます。
はい。
So, did you have any recommendations for a next car that we should do for the next
I reckon
episode?
you should get Jay on for sure.
Jay?
Yeah, Jay, definitely.
Cool,
He'll
cool.
talk your ear off.
I'm sure he will. So that concludes episode 2 of Driven by Bankrupt Society. And Jay, we're coming for you.